How to check for a strike on Facebook page. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check for a strike on Facebook page. For that, first of all, you will need to open your Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, at the top you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those lines and now you will reach to this page. Here you need to tap on this arrow facing downwards and from here you need to select your page. Once you have selected your page, now it will switch your profile from your Facebook account to Facebook page. Once you have switched to the Facebook page, at the top you will find your profile icon with the 3 horizontal bars. Tap on this icon and from here you need to tap on the gear icon located at the top right. Once you tap on the settings or the gear icon, you will reach to the settings page. In this settings page, here you need to scroll down and find this page setup option. Once you find this page setup, tap on it to open it. Under it, you will be presented with different options. Here you need to tap on this page status option. Once you tap on it, now you will reach to this page. This section provides information on any issues Facebook has identified with your page, including strikes for violating community standards. You will be able to see any strikes or violations active against your page. Also, Facebook will provide details about the nature of the violation and the consequences. For example, reduced distribution or content removal. Right now, you can see there is no violations in my page. But if you find any violations in your page, you need to find out the cause of violation, and if you believe the strike is a mistake, you can usually appeal the decision directly from the page section. So by regularly checking the page section, you can stay informed about the strikes and address them promptly to maintain the health of your Facebook page. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.